This exercise is a staggered stance reverse airplane. So let's talk about the position first. You're going to be in a staggered stance position like so, making sure that you're not too narrow with the stance. So it's like each foot is on each side of the train track, if that makes sense. So a little wider with that stance, more of the weight on that front leg, staying balanced on that midfoot. And you want to keep a good bend in the knee, all right? Just so you're not locking out completely. You might find the balance is a little tougher when that's the case. So kind of staying in that slight split squat position. From there, you're going to have the cable all the way down towards your hip area, maybe a little bit lower. And if your left leg is in front, your right hand is going to be holding the band or the cable column, whatever you're using. All right, palms going to be facing up, getting into that position, good posture. And then from there, you're basically letting the cable in and pull that torso into rotation. And then you're going to use that core to bring yourself back to that starting point. So I'd say kind of in line with your belly button at that starting point, and then rotating nice and controlled. You can go a little quicker as you return back to that starting position. Now, the reason why I call it a reverse airplane is rather than opening up with that leg at external rotation, as you rotate in towards the cable column or the band, you're going to be putting that front leg into internal rotation. So you're kind of closing off that joint a little bit and then coming back to neutral as you return to that starting point. Obviously doing this on the opposite side afterwards with your right leg in front and your left hand holding the cable. And that is a cable column reverse hip airplane.